Alrighty guys, so we've got the seated cable row machine, single arm. Okay, so the way that this is gonna work is exactly the same as the double arm. You're gonna position this chest pad as far back as you need to, so that when you reach out for the handle, the weight is in your hand in the fully stretched out position. The thing about having this too far forward is that if I put it way too far forward, my elbow's already bent before the weight gets in my hand. And so I'm not able to get that full stretch. So I just want to make sure that this sits nice and far back. And that way, when I reach out for it, I can fully stretch that shoulder and let the shoulder protract before I pull it backwards, okay? The second thing is, with this off hand, the unused hand, you just wanna make sure that it's not out here holding something far away. Reason being is because you are stretching out with one hand, and then you're going to try and make a proud chest as you pull this backwards. You don't want the other shoulder protracted when you're trying to retract this one. It'll encourage twisting, and it's just awkward to be able to retract one shoulder without retracting the other. So have your hand closer. I like to put it on the pad itself or even on this bar. Have your hand closer, that way this shoulder can sit back, and this shoulder is the one that's being able to be stretched and then retracted, and you can pull it back in this position. At the top of the rep, I'm in this position here with a nice proud chest, okay? So I've set this back, grab the handle. I like to also offset one foot, the back foot, with the same hand, okay? And that way I can reach out, pull right back. I'm really getting a big stretch, a big contraction in my lats.